Day to Africa. Welcome to the Azanian podcast. I'm your host, Zimkita Khodolo. He is Rise Mzansi's mayoral candidate for Johannesburg, and he has been outspoken about who public service is there for, and that is for all. Lukhona Mnguni has stated the importance of all our citizens to understand that public service is not only for the poor, but it is for every single citizen. It is for your benefit, and it must be utilized by all our citizens. There is this underlying tone amongst all our people, which has been programmed for the last 30 years or so, that public service is only for the poor. It is not. Be it clinics, hospitals, be it your home affairs, your SASA, your every entity that is of government, that is meant to service you. It is for you, the poor, the rich, because the rich and the middle class tend to want to run to the private or privatized, whatever it is that the public service has. Be it transportation, be it you need to use transport, whatever it is that is of public service. Which is the truth, really, it is the truth. Whether you then feel that you have money to get better service somewhere, but public service is for all. But this is a lesson for our leaders, because the question then is, why do the rich or the middle class, or once people are able to afford, then move away from services that are offered by public service to want to go to the privatized? I'll make example, clinics and hospitals. They would tend to go to private doctors, private clinics, private hospitals. Why? These are the questions that government officials say. They say middle class and rich move away from these services, which is something that happens all over the world. The question always is then, why are government public services entities always not up to par to the private? They should keep them at all times to the same level as the private, so that our people don't need to go. Our people don't want to work so hard that they say, I want to go to a privatized because public service is poor, or private service, whatever it is, the service is poor, right? But ultimately, that I do agree here at the Azanian podcast that it is the truth. The public service is for all our citizens, right? But also, it must be kept up to par. Isn't it, my Africa?